The usage package in Jaze ISP Manager includes the bandwidth profile and the billing plan. The bandwidth profile lets you set the speed limit and other session parameters for users. The billing plan allows you to define the items to be billed, along with any applicable tax components. Jaze ISP Manager supports 3 billing types. Prepaid. The invoice is generated at the beginning of the billing cycle, and the user has to make a payment before the due date. Postpaid. Similar to prepaid, but the invoice is generated at the end of the billing cycle, and the user has to make a payment before the due date. Pay-as-you-go. Users have an expiry date based on the days defined in their package. Payment must be made before this expiry date to keep the subscription active. Jaze ISP Manager also supports billing for other value-added services like OTT and voice. You can define packages with different rates that bundle these services along with internet bandwidth, allowing you to bill for everything in a single package. Today, we'll walk through how to create a package and add subscribers in Jaze ISP Manager. Once you're logged into the dashboard, navigate to Usage and Packages. Under Packages, select Usage Packages. To create a new package, click on Create New at the top right corner. Start by providing a name for the package. Select the billing cycle, typically set to monthly, and choose the start date. Next, specify the type of package, whether it's for home or business use, and choose the connection type, fiber or wireless. Create a bandwidth template and associate it with the package to set the speed the subscriber will receive. Packages can be configured as unlimited or can include FUP limits. For FUP plans, set a data limit, after which the subscriber's speed will be reduced. Choose the corresponding bandwidth template. Additionally, you can opt to carry forward unused data from the previous cycle to the current cycle. There's also an option to exclude upload data from FUP, so only download data is counted. Enable billing and select from prepaid, postpaid, or pay-as-you-go options. In this example, we'll select a prepaid plan with a 1-month duration, set a price, and choose the product to be billed. Next, select the applicable taxes, generally CGST and SGST. For postpaid billing, invoices are generated at the end of each cycle. If you select pay-as-you-go, subscribers have a flexible billing cycle. They can pay for 30 days, pause service, and renew for another 30 days as per their plan. To further customize, you can set up sub-plans. For example, you can create a 3-month plan with different pricing while keeping the same bandwidth parameters. Here, we'll set a price of 2,500 rupees, select the product to be billed, and use a different description to differentiate between sub-plans. The parameters chosen for the subplan will then appear under the main plan. Define the number of days in the plan and how often data resets. For this 90-day plan, we'll reset data every 30 days, so the FUP limit will reset every 30 days. You can also enable auto-renewal, allowing the plan to renew automatically at the end of each term. Beyond bandwidth, you can bundle OTT and additional services within the package, providing both bandwidth and OTT as a combined offering. Choose a default OTT service from the list and set OTT plan validity. Alternatively, you can offer add-on OTT services separately. These details will be covered in another video. You also have the flexibility to set different speed limits for specific times of day. And to exclude data used during these times from FUP. You can also bind MAC addresses to the subscriber upon first login and specify the number of MAC addresses allowed. Set simultaneous device usage to No to prevent multiple logins from different devices under the same username. For BNGs, pre-configured dictionary files allow you to select attributes and set values. For instance, with Cisco, select the Cisco policy to define bandwidth parameters, specifically for Cisco BNGs. You can enable notifications for subscribers via SMS, email, or WhatsApp when they reach a certain data limit percentage. Once all settings are confirmed, click Save to complete creating the package. To add subscribers, go to User Management, create a group, and associate it with the new package. Check the box to pre-fill the group name automatically. Now proceed to add subscribers. To add a subscriber, click Add User next to the group. You can create a custom username or generate a random one. Likewise, you can create a custom password or have one generated. The group and subplan appear here automatically, but you can switch to a different subplan if needed. Complete all mandatory fields, and once the information is entered, click Create User to finalize adding the subscriber.